In the heart of the vibrant emerald forest, where trees towered and flowers blossomed in a kaleidoscope of colors, a sudden flood had swept through the land. The once tranquil stream had transformed into a raging river, creating a formidable barrier for the forest's inhabitants. The usual paths were blocked, and the animals found themselves stranded, unable to visit friends or reach their feeding places. Amidst the confusion, a clever rabbit named Ruffles stood atop a moss-covered stone, his whiskers twitching with determination. "Friends," he called out, "we need to find a way across the river. Let's gather and put our heads together." The animals convened at a clearing just near the riverbank. First came the beavers, known throughout the forest for their exceptional building skills. Next were the birds, who from their aerial view, could find the best vantage points and observe the ebbs and flows of the water. Strong and graceful, the deer joined too, able to transport heavy logs and branches. The meeting began with excitement, each animal bursting with ideas. "Let's build a bridge of logs," suggested Benny Beaver, pounding his tail on the ground enthusiastically. "We can form a neat row by the shallow waters," Birdie Blue Jay chirped, flapping her wings with confidence. Meanwhile, Donna Deer offered to haul the heaviest materials with her muscular frame. However, as discussions deepened, disagreements sprouted like wild mushrooms after the rain. Benny insisted on using strong oak, while Birdie argued for lightness and ease. Ruffles hopped in between parties, trying to mediate, but finding it tough as tempers flared. Frustration rippled through the crowd, and some animals began thinking about abandoning the cause. Sensing the discord, Ruffles gathered everyone's attention again. "Friends," he implored, his voice soft but earnest, "let us take a moment to listen and understand one another.